Haritalika Teej or Haritalika Tritiya. Festival is for praying marital blessings. Teej is a generic name for a number of Hindu festivals that are celebrated by women. Hariyali Teej and Haritalika Teej welcome the monsoon season and are celebrated primarily by girls and women with songs, dancing, and prayer rituals. The monsoon festivals of Teej are primarily dedicated to goddess Parvati and her union with Lord Shiva. Women often fast in celebration of Teej. Haritalika Teej is celebrated in all parts of Nepal and most of the parts of North India, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Darjeeling, Sikkim. Festivities about to begin and at it all starts with Teej. Teej is celebrated in the North Indian lunar month on the third day of the bright half. In India, women celebrate three types of Teej: Haritalika, Hariyali, and Kajri. Festivals bring joy and happiness. They also bring families together and have quality time. Haritalika Teej Vrat is observed during Shukla Paksha Tritiya of Bhadrapad month. Haritalika Teej comes 1 month after Hariyali Teej and most of the time celebrates one day before Ganesh Chaturthi. On this day, women observe Nirjala Vrat, means fast without food and water. History behind festival. The history of Teej dates way back in centuries. According to mythological tales, goddess Parvati was devotee of Lord Shiva. She was head over heels mad and admired him. But her father Himalaya was bent on marrying her with Lord Vishnu, as he had promised Lord Vishnu for his daughter's marriage. Unable to pursue her father, goddess Parvati asked her friend to kidnap her. She wanted to show Lord Shiva how dedicated she was, and along the banks of river Ganga, she went for a deep and serious penance. Lord Shiva was a sage and did not take much notice. But one day he noticed her sincere efforts and accepted the marriage proposal. Lord Shiva agreed to marry goddess Parvati. The word Haritalika has a deeper significance and is based on this tale. The word Harat and Alika mean a friend kidnapping a woman. According to popular Hindu devotees, they believe that it was on Haritalika when Lord Shiva accepted goddess Parvati after 108 rebirths. On this day, married Hindu women observe Nirjala Vrat or a fast where they neither eat nor drink throughout the day. Seeking the wellness of their husband, children, and their own self, the women fast for a day long. The devotees pray to makeshift statues of goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva for marital bliss, harmony, and progeny to mark the festival, since it is dedicated to goddess Parvati's reunion with Lord Shiva as per Hindu mythology. The prayers are performed during a special time period where the morning period or the Pratakal Haritalika Puja Muhurta is supposed to be auspicious for offering prayers to goddess Parvati. Maharashtra has a different method of celebrating Haritalika Puja on Haritalika Tritiya. The puja is offered to Devi Parvati, Lord Shiva, and Lord Ganesh, whose festival is to begin the next day. Seasonal flowers like the white kamal means lotus, pan kanis means a special type of maize, have special importance in this puja. According to the lunar calendar that Maharashtra follows, the festival of Haritalika is observed on the Tritiya, that is the third day since Amavasya, when the month begins. Haritalika is a festival mostly observed by women and sits at a confluence of several auspicious dates of the Hindu calendar, just one day away on Ganesh Chaturthi festival. In Maharashtra, it is called Haritalika. In Karnataka, this festival is called Gauri Habba. Women and girls use scented oil and Uptan scrub to have a special bath this day. After the ritualistic bath, women set up with worship table called Sauranga. Wishing all a very happy Haritalika festival. Be blessed with happy married life.